how to learn faster. One is to study. Obviously, if you study, you're going to learn. But from formal education, you study for a test and then you immediately release all of that knowledge from your brain. You don't really learn something when you remember it. You learn something when you can't forget it. The second way that you can learn is observation. Watch. What are other people doing? Some people, what they train and what they do are two different things. A third way to learn faster is coaches and mentors. If you want to become a dancer and you study, you watch all the YouTube videos in the world on dancing and you watch dancers, the learning is in the doing. Even if you have a great coach, let's say you study, you observe, you got a great coach, but you won't dance because you don't feel confident enough. The coach can't help you. So you've got to learn how to take action. The learning mostly in our business is in the doing. Bonus way that you can learn faster. You know what it is? Teaching. As soon as you learn something, try and teach it to somebody else. If you know anybody who's a teacher, guess who learns more, the student or the teacher? The teacher does, because they do it over and over and over and over again. The student hears it one time, the teacher hears it a million times. Even if you're not really particularly great, take a lesson that you get from today. Take this lesson. Go teach it to somebody. Let them know, here's how you can learn faster. Be willing to start messy. Be willing to start before you're completely prepared. Teach before you feel you're qualified to be a teacher. Take these notes and pass them on to somebody else.